Alright, you've finished your design and you want to preserve it for later use or send it around for collaborative purposes. What you want to do is save it as a template, and that's actually quite easy to do. Now, first, it's important to note that everything in your book, all your content, is also going to be saved as the template. It's not just going to be the layouts you've made and your paragraph styles. It's also going to be everything here in this book outline view, all your chapters and everything in here, all your text, all your images, all your videos, and so forth. Everything will be saved as the template. So keep that in mind. If you've already finished designing your book and you want to sort of share the very basic template with somebody else, you're going to want to delete that. And I'll show you how to do it both ways. First, just to leave everything in here, let's say that I want to keep all of this. I simply go to File, Save as Template. And I'm going to call this template with chapters included. Save. Now, if I want to save it without all of that stuff, I just want the bare minimum, which is basically, the layouts that we get with the show layouts and the paragraph and character styles in the styles drawer. If that's all I really want, then what I'm going to do is first go to File and then Duplicate. And now I've got a whole new file here, Untitled 3. So this is a duplicate. So now I'm not going to screw up my original. And I'm just going to delete everything, one chapter at a time. I'm going to say yes. Just hitting the delete button. And deleting, and it's all gone. All right, there's nothing left in my book. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing. File, Save as Template, Template without chapters. And I'm just saving these to the default location that iBooks author wants to save them to, which I'll show you in a second. And I click Save, and I'm done. So now if I close this, I don't want to save that. Close this. I don't want to save that either. Here's the templates. So these are the 3 templates I've made. The templates that Apple includes are hidden deeper within the program. You're not going to find them here. But basically this is in the application support folder for iBooks author in your library, in your user's home directory. So that's where you can find this stuff. And notice that the one without chapters is under 300 kilobytes, and the one with chapters, which just includes a few shapes and one video, is 35 megabytes. So there's just an enormous size difference. And if you really only want the stripped down stuff, it's going to make it a lot easier to email it around or whatever if you strip it all out. So if we go back to iBooks Author and I go to File, New from Template Chooser, here they are. There's all of Apple's templates, and there's the ones I've made at the bottom, including these 2 latest ones. So template without chapters, just what it says. It's fully stripped down, bare minimum. New from Template Chooser, template with chapters, and this is everything we were working with before. It's all still there. So zoom out so we can see more of it, but everything's still in there, and it looks just like it did a moment ago with all the green and the red. The introduction will have the very same video. So that's how you make templates. And once again, you can get to them by going to your home directory and library, application support, iBooks author, templates, my templates. And that's how you'll find it if you want to distribute these to your friends or collaborate with a colleague or so forth. One thing to keep in mind is that the software license agreement may prohibit selling templates. It's not fully clear. I don't think Apple, their position isn't fully clear because the way the license agreement is worded would seem to prohibit it, but the spirit of the agreement would seem to apply only to books. So I think that that's an untested area, and I would be very careful before thinking about trying to make one of these for commercial purposes to sell. It may be allowed, it may not be allowed. It's just not clear yet. Anyway, that's templates.